Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about a product named SmartWay Lip Care. Prior to entering into the topic of SmartWay Lip Care, I will let you know what I am going to discuss here. The general information of SmartWay Lip Care, the composition, that is whatever the ingredients present in SmartWay Lip Care, and the uses of SmartWay Lip Care, side effects, and the review of SmartWay Lip Care. It is how the SmartWay Lip Care looks like. To the general information, the brand name of SmartWay Lip Care is SmartWay Lip Care, and the category is allopathic, and it is topical as it is applied on the skin. And the category is lip balm, and it is available in 10 grams tube in the market. And the manufacturer of SmartWay Lip Care is Smart Laboratories Private Limited. And in order to purchase the SmartWay Lip Care, you don't need any prescription as it is a OTC product. OTC product means over the counter product. Now coming to the composition of SmartWay Lip Care, there are 4 main ingredients present in SmartWay Lip Care. They are 1. Petroleum jelly, second one jojoba oil, third one strawberry extract, fourth aloe vera extract. Coming to petroleum jelly, actually it is a semi-solid jelly-like substance, and it is formed by the mixture of mineral oils and waxes. Generally, petroleum jelly acts as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly and itchy skin. You can apply petroleum jelly at any part which is dried and scaly and itchy. It provides soothing effects. And when you apply petroleum jelly on lips, it prevents them from drying. It generally moisturizes the lips. And the second, oil. It is a rich source of vitamin E. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties, and jojoba oil helps in nourishing, toning and softening of lips, thereby making your lips more smooth and beautiful. Ingredient is aloe vera extract. We already know that aloe vera has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It protects the lips from any bacterial infections. Not only it protects from bacterial infections, it also acts as a moisturizer, and also it has a protective effect against radiation damage to the skin. We know the sunlight has UV radiation, and this aloe vera extract prevents the lips from UV radiation of the sun, and it prevents the radiation damage of the lips caused due to sun exposure. Strawberry extract. Strawberry extract is generally added as a flavoring agent. Why? Because the essence of strawberry makes it more comfortable to apply on lips. Now coming to the uses of SmartWay Lip Care. SmartWay Lip Care is a complete care for your lips against dryness, chapping and cracking. It serves as a moisturizer for your lips and helps in preventing bacterial infection. It also protects your lips from sun damage. Now coming to the side effects of SmartWay Lip Care. Generally no side effects noticed till yet. Very rarely causes lip irritation if you are sensitive to any of the contents of SmartWay Lip Care. If your skin is sensitive to any of the content of SmartWay Lip Care, then sometimes irritation will occur on your lips. If in such conditions, you can consult your nearest doctor and let him know that you have applied this, and due to this the reaction occurs. Now coming to the review of SmartWay Lip Care. In general, the combination of petroleum jelly, jojoba oil, aloe vera extract and strawberry extract, they work best in preventing the lips from dryness and cracking. Actually, many brands are available with the same combination. However, SmartWay Lip Care is affordable and working efficiency is also good compared to that of competitors. So I will advise you to try it once for your dry lips. Now I will let you know how to use this SmartWay Lip Care. Wash your hands first. Apply lip care on your fingertip. Gently massage the lip care on your lips. Leave as it is. Again wash your hands. You can use it twice daily, once in the morning and prior to sleep. If you are frequently facing the issue of lips cracking, drying and chapping, then feel free to book an appointment. I will let you know the solution for your health issue. In most of the cases, dehydration is also one of the case for your dry lips. And there are other problems too, which even leads to dry lips. And even it leads to chapping and cracking up your lips. I will let you know the solution for your health issue. Actually, using only SmartWay Lip Care doesn't solve your lips issue. There are some other processes too that should be followed. I will discuss it in our appointment. If you want to book an appointment, then details are provided in the video description. Kindly have a look once. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell button to get latest updates from our channel. Thank you.